Hey, how's it going?
Keeps happening.
Yeah, but it's a different car every time at least.
I know. Well, because I'm so outnumbered by my kids. I'm a single parent, and I just, yeah.
I had a lady, single parent today, her car was stolen
At work?
at work. Yeah.
At your workplace or hers?
Oh, no, hers.
So she called you?
Only because her other car key was inside that car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So you, you're a real lifesaver. For real, though. You know, this has happened so many times. My kids even said it. They're like, hey, remember that one time we locked the keys in the truck?
Yeah.
Why don't you just call? I'm like, shush. Everyone just stop. I'm surprised that this freaking car even locks with the key. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, I hear that all the time. You want like just a door key?
I don't know if this one opens.
My daughter starts kindergarten tomorrow, so. But yeah,
Big deal.
my two little ones are off all week, so it's gonna be a fun week for sure.
We went back today.
They went back to that, nice. Oh, thanks. So you got rid of the Suburban?
No, I think, and you know what? I'm gonna probably have you make another key for the truck again.
Oh, you lost that one?
Yeah. Well, I had gave someone the key
Oh.
to hold it just in case it happens again, and then it did, and I'm like, fuck, never mind. I'll just make another key.
What, should be this one. 2014 or something?
The what?
The Sorrento.
2020.
2020. Oh, it's that key.
That's weird, right? Do you think
No.
it's weird that it locked?
No,
in
it's
there?
not weird.
Oh, okay.
I looked at the key wrong, that's all.
Yeah, so no, I ended up giving the truck to my brother. And so he's gonna be using it, but now he's like, where's the key? I'm like, no. He's like, kind of like, you know, something's wrong.
Yeah. Let me know. We'll get it done.
No, but no, I didn't sell the. I still need to fix it before I do anything.
Did you fix
Well,
the
I'm
window?
not gonna fix it, but I'm gonna replace the window.
Oh, you didn't fix the window yet?
No, I haven't done anything.
Oh well. Your other
Oh wow.
no, it was bad. Like it was like you can't really drive it down in the summer.
Oh, because I don't really use it. I only use it like
I think it's this one.
pretty much never to gas filter. I just kept it with that.
Hold on, you need HY18R. Let me find the right one. What's in there? Oh yeah, that one for sure is, yeah. This is the key that I'm gonna make it.
That one?
Yeah, see how it like has like a groove like just on one side? One side it is. Decode it. Did you ever fix that the white truck or no?
Huh?
The white truck, right? Or was that your friend's truck?
No, that was mine.
That was yours, yeah. The engine blew or something, no?
I thought, but it's actually an oil change.
Really? That's good.
Well, it's, I don't know shit about
I hope you
cars.
didn't sell it for that.
No, I didn't.
Okay, good.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I gave it to my brother.
Oh, I thought you meant the Suburban you gave to your brother.
No, I still have the excursion.
Or excursion, yeah, okay. Alright, let me run this one. What did I do wrong?
I thought I put you in my speed valve.
Yeah, I thought I'm in there already. Oh, I didn't put it in the right spot. Whoops. Further back. Yeah, you're a good customer for sure.
Huh?
I said you're a good customer for sure.
Shut up. Now I have to tell everyone about you.
Third time's the charm, right? Oh, it didn't read your key at all.
Huh?
It didn't read your key at all. That's weird. Let me see what's going on. It's probably this one. Yeah, that makes more sense. 2020 is a split year. Okay, now it's reading. Okay, didn't read your key good, but it's this one. Should be a 4. Alright, this should work. Okay. Should, you never know though, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it definitely works. It's just a matter if your alarm is set, it may not start the car, but obviously now it starts it fine.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you.